today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I may be splitting this into two videos and you'll see that in two parts. Necessary information. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you did, thank you very much, and let's get to doing the Dollar Tree haul. I'm gonna show you the first items that I have here. And these things, these are tinsel, these are Christmas, so I'm going to show you the Christmas things. First of all, I'm going to show you this little fun little tree. What is this called? I don't know. It doesn't have a tag. Oh yes, it just says it says decor. They do have other little trees that are like this, but they're a bit smaller. In this ones, they also have it. I think they also had it in a red and also in a gold. Can you lower the volume? I like this one. It has a little ribbon and it's taller and it has a little star right here. This is how it looks. Very cute. Another tinsel thing. I want to say tinsel, but I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's this little tiny little house. Oh, it's like this. It has this little windows here.
Baby, do that.
Oh, okay. And a little door, and the back has nothing. And a light little wreath on the top. And I thought it was so cute. I wish it light up, but it doesn't. It's just a little thing. You can obviously use it as a little ornament for your tree. I think it's too big. But I want to do something on my window with these little things. So that's why I got these. Then I also got two of these guys. Nutcrackers, because I don't know if I want to do a nutcrackery theme for Christmas outside of my porch. I did do a nutcracker one time of clay pots, and I have a video. I will link it. But I like this little two guys. Look at, he has his little eyes, and his little eyes look like buttons, and then the nose is like a little pom-pom. I thought they were so cute. They also have snowmen, I think, and no, not snowmen. I think it was penguins. Or are these two ornaments, and they're like snowballs, and they literally are like soft little balls, and then the little nose is like perfectly. Can you, son? Would you really? Can you let me get you closer to me? The little nose is like a little carrot, and it's plastic. The little pebbles here are plastic as well, and the little eyes, it's just a little perfect little ball. I got two, because I have two little perfect little creatures right there. Today was crazy hair day, and Luna has an octopus head. So I thought they were so cute. They're snowballs, kind of like that. At least I want to figure. And the little hat is so cute with the little thing right there. Okay, you're too close to me now. Back away. Okay, and the next one, the next ornament are hold on. These little houses. This is a red little house, and this is a red little house. They also have gold, but I think the gold gets a little bit lost, and I like it. Look, there are ornaments, but I have certain DIYs for them to be doing. La 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 la. They do have glitter, so warn you with that. I dropped one. Good thing they're not glass and they don't break. Okay, the next thing that I was excited to find was this gnome for the holidays. I did knock gnomes. I did sock gnomes last year. I will link the video below, and now the gnomes are all over the place. I've seen that they haul the mitten, the pot holders, and the towel for the kitchen. I didn't find it. I did only saw this one, and then the cup. I didn't care for the cup, and I thought this one, you can see that the gnome is 3D. It's a little bit, you can obviously take the gnome out if you wanted to. The sign like that is pretty cute. It is pretty small, so you can see, pretty small, so don't expect the big huge thing. Like, that's how the Dollar Tree is. And then they had a few of the letters as well as ornaments, and this has a little wire thing on the back. hopefully you can see it's a little wire thing on the back for you to hang it. And I have 2 L's because I have a Luna and a Layla. Possible DIYs for these as well. So I have those. The next tinsel thing is this little truck. I'm not sure if I got 2 or if I only got 1. In the front it says Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. The little lights has like little buttons. The little tree is pretty cute. And it's a little, I don't think it could have been functional, but you can see the little truck. The little red truck. I think it's nice like that. Some of them have little color ones here and other little things, but I think it's just perfect. And it has plastic for the windshield glass, supposedly. And it's also supposedly you could use it as an ornament, but I think this is one of my favorite ones from all the little, this material kind of things. Yay! So I got that. My bag over here. The next things. Oh, and then this one. I think Luna got this one. She found a little elf, and look at that little elf. Look at that. This is his little ears. It's a little bit, but Luna liked it, and it's part of the little, you know, like the little house, the little. It's cute. Yay. Okay, the next thing. I got these. These are for my piggy banks that I sell for packaging. You can, if you sell things from your home, those three are good for you to find these things for the packaging. This is decorative shred. I got purple and red. They do have yellow, no, not yellow, white and blue, at least the colors that I saw. They had those. So I had those shredded things. And then I also got these gift tissue, and this is just the white one with like glitter on it, and I got it from the same purpose for my piggy banks when I ship them. And the next thing are these 2 big DIY big ornaments. Again, they're going to be for a DIY that I'm thinking of doing, so stay tuned. Subscribe so you can know what I'm talking about. Okay, they're these 2 big ones, and they are plastics. So there's that. And then I got these ornament fillers, and I got like the blue theme and the red theme. Like it has like little holly leaves, and this one has like snowflakes, the white and silver, the red and like holiday ones. It's really fun. It's really nice. You can, these are also, you can use for many other things if you really wanted to. I got these. They also had stars and something else. I can't remember. And the next thing for this bag were these glass little jars. Look at this. They're so pretty. I love them. And each of them have a little what do you call it? A little trinket. They're all leaves. Yes, they're all like leaves. And they all have a different texture on the bottle. Look, you see, this is the blue one. This is the pink, almost like what a quart rose. What is that color? But can you see? It almost turns gold rose gold. There you go. It turns gold, but it's pink when you turn it. And then there's this yellow one. Oh, and you can see like this one has like little triangle shapes, and these ones are like more dotty, leafy kinds, and these are like trees or leaves, and it's absolutely yellow. And the last one is that purple, and it's just lines. I think they're so cute when they sit together. They look very nice, and you can obviously put whatever you want in it. Okay, that one, those were from that Dollar Tree. I did go to another Dollar Tree, and I got a few other things from there, and I will show you. And then in another video, I'll split it, and then you'll see this again, and then you'll see the rest of the things. I did find this sign. Look at that. And it says, "There's no place," get it, snowman, "there's no place like home." And the snowman on the bottom is glittery, Hopefully you can see. It's like glittery. It's a good size. You can see like from the gnome side, and this one, you can see the difference. Can you see? The gnome sign is kind of small, and this one's pretty big compared to the gnome. All right, the next thing, Christmassy thing, I got this ribbon, and this ribbon is like plaid. I did want it the other like checker, but I didn't find any, and this is the plaid one. Right there, Layla's playing with some of the things. I got that for a DIY. Narwhal wood shop thing to do, like a DIY. Look at this, a narwhal, and it has a little pin under it. They have enjoyed that to do for fall. They did one for Halloween, and they found this one's there. It says no drama llama, and it's of course a llama there. This is Layla's. The narwhal was Luna's, and then I got this one for me. It says hug me, and it's a little cactus. Sorry, the sun is right there. Then I got these. These are napkin holders. Ow. And these napkin holders are for a DIY, and I got a few of them. But you get it. It's these napkin holders. And then I got these magical adhesive dots, and they're just little circle dots with adhesives. Can you guys see? I am in a bad position. The sun is like, I'm on the window, and they're pretty sticky, so I got those, and you can see it's full of those napkin holder things right there. And then from that same one, oh look, I have another ornament over here. It's these little snowmans. These little snowmans with blue little hats. Look at this. They also had a red one, but the red one, like the snowman part of it, was also red, so it was too much red. So this one is the blue one. I think this was the only blue one that they had. They also had like a silver one, but I like this one, and this goes into the ornament video DIY that I have. And then I have these two dogs. Are these Irish, is it Irish Schwarzer? I can't remember. We have one of these dogs, and I got this one for another DIY that includes this ribbon. So I will be showing you that later on as well. So make sure you subscribe. Then I got these palettes. I was actually looking for the other palettes, like the actual looking palettes for my piggy banks that I sell, like use them as bases, and I couldn't find them, and I found only these. I got them in case I don't find the other ones. Look, I'll show you really quick. I was looking for these. This is the only one that I have. Look it. See the difference? The difference is almost twice the size of it, you see? And these ones are not. This is a wood palette, and this is called wood palette as well, but it's just like the smaller one, and I wanted this kind but didn't find it, so I got all of the ones that they had because they fly. I did call the dollar store to make an order and ship it to the store, but they don't have it apparently, so I don't know if they're not gonna do it anymore or whatever. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 9. I got all 9 because you never know when I'm gonna need it. And over here you already saw them. I did get these thank you cards, and they're all the same, and they are 4 packs. I do also use these for when I ship my piggies. Then I got these. Look at this bins. The famous red truck, and it said on the side, you can see 1, and it says dashing through the snow. Dashing through the snow with 1 horse open sled. Enjoy my singing. And then the other one was this one, Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. 2 plastics. And on the side you can see those trees, and on this side you can see this red truck. There you go. You're welcome. Run to your nearest dollar store. Yeah, that is all that I have for that Dollar Tree. that Dollar Tree haul on the next video. So this one's not humongously long. I will see you in the same outfit. Woo! So you can see some of that. Thank you guys for watching. Go and click on the next video so you keep watching the Dollar Tree hauls. Oh my gosh! Alright, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. I'll see you next time. And goodbye!